Hey guys, and welcome back to another Quick Form video. In today's video, we are doing the official unboxing of the iPhone SE 2020. This is, of course, the unlocked variant. So I finally got it after I actually pre-ordered it on the 22nd and just got it today, which is the 30th. So, 8 days to get this phone, a little bit over a week. So it's finally here. I did get, like I said, the unlocked variant, and that's why they told me it took so long since Apple was shipping these. So this one's fully unlocked. I got it with no carrier. I can actually put it with any carrier. So, Boost, Cricket, Metro, Verizon, AT&T, whoever I want. And that's why I got it. So very good price. I actually got it for $450 is the price that it was for this variant. And as well, you might be saying why. Well, check it out, guys. It is the 128 gigabyte. So instead of getting just a 64, I mean, for $50 more, you get more storage, so why not? So that's why I decided to pick it up, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's go ahead and see how well it looks. So you can see it's pretty cool. They're all black in the front. I did get the red one. So the product red, I've always wanted red iPhone. This is my first iPhone since an iPhone 4S, guys. So from that on, I've always had Android. So it's time to make the switch and see how well it is. So as you can see here on the right, it does have the Apple logo right here. So very cool. Then on the top, of course, same thing, a red Apple logo. And then same thing, just iPhone on the other side. And then the bottom, Apple logo. And then the back, it has storage size. So there's a storage size, like I said. And then, of course, serial numbers. It's supposed to be dual SIM. I'm not sure if this one will be. I did get the unlocked variant, so we'll check that out. So let's go ahead and unbox it since I'm excited to do. Ooh, perfect. So you guys know Apple's unboxing experience is always like Christmas. Every time you unbox it, it is just magical, really. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Wow. So as you can see, same thing designed by Apple in California, but everybody knows, it's made in China in different parts. But there it is, product red. Finally, I get my stickers from Apple. I'll probably do what every Apple owner does and put it on my truck or the back of my car on my windshield. So, but here it is. Let's go ahead and put this aside. And here it is. Wow. I'm very, very excited. It is very shiny, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but let's see what we get inside before we actually get into it. So, of course, you get your regular headphones. So, of course, there is no headphone jack on this one. So, you will have these headphones right here. Of course, you do have your charging brick. So, you do get your charger as well. This is just a 5-watt small charger, so nothing special there. And then, of course, you get your lightning connector as well. So what I decided to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an iPad charger brick to charge my phone faster because, I mean, that 5-watt is pretty slow. So I'm not too excited about that, but hey. So pretty cool. They do give you headphones. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the phone. So here it is, guys. Very, very shiny. I love it. It is a little bit smaller. It's 4.7 inch. So, like I said, it is not the Plus variant, but of course you do get your power button right here, your volume up, your volume down and up buttons, and then of course your silent or vibrate button. You do have a fingerprint sensor. I believe it does have Touch ID. So I know it's probably a little hard for the camera to focus just because of how much reflection it is. You do have bottom firing speakers there. Let's see if it focuses. There you go. Bottom firing speakers, and then of course that's where you charge it. And then in the back, look at this. Look at this, guys. Wow. It says product red, but it is beautiful, man. Very, very nice. You do have a single lens, camera lens in the back with a flash. So it looks exactly like an iPhone 8 or 7, more the 8 because it is a glass back. And then of course you have your Apple logo right there. So very, very nice, guys. I like it. It's shiny, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna pop my SIM card in there and see what we get. Let me actually go ahead and pop it open and see if it has the dual SIM. If not, it's probably like an eSIM or something. So that's funny. They sent me a Verizon SIM card, which is funny. I don't know why they sent me a Verizon SIM card, but I guess they sent me a Verizon SIM card with an unlocked phone. So that's something different, I guess. Look, check it out. It's a Verizon SIM card. That is weird. Like I said, I got the unlocked variant, so I don't know. I guess they just, if you get the unlocked variant, you just get a Verizon SIM card. So I don't know. But so far, so good, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. What service should I put this with? I'll try it out with multiple services and do different reviews and see how well it is. I actually do want to test out the battery life on it, just because, you know, it does have like an 1872 milliamp battery, something like that. So it's nothing crazy. So I'll see how it is. I did get a case in tempered glass, and I'll go ahead and put that on in just a little bit. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is Dragonic Warfare signing off, doing the unboxing of the new iPhone SE 2020 unlocked variant 128 red. So thank you.